Hello guys, Baban on PC here. Today I want to show you how to make animated goals, animated donation goals, follower goals for Streamlabs OBS. And I will try to have it done as quick as possible and just don't take much of your time. So let's get straight into it. So most of you will have all these set up, the display and video and audio captures and so on. So now to add a follower goal or a donation goal, we need to click on the plus right here. And here you can add a follower goal, donation goal, subscription goal, and so on. So for today, we will just add a follower goal. Just click on this here. Click add source again. Now I have it set up already, but let's just end it and set it up again. So the title is, you need, this is what the people watching your stream will see. So you need to type in something like follower goal or whatever you like really. So follower goal. Here in the goal amount, just type in the amount of followers that you set the goal to. In my example, let's say 100. And the starting amount of mine is 65 because I have 65 followers. If you have 0, you just leave it at 0. But let's just say 65. You can set the duration of the goal. So today is the 25th. So we will need to add here the month. Then let's say 5 days, so the 30th by the end of this month, and the year is 2020. So let's start the goal. In the visuals, the bar color. The bar color is very important because we need the bar color to match as best as possible the green screen. I added already the hex value here. The hex value is 00B140. So that's the green that we need actually. And we leave it there for now, and we'll see later when we add the animation to it, how it will look. Then we can change the font, the color of the lettering, and so on. The color of this bar, this one we need to leave as is. So I just click done. The next thing we need is a animation. In my experience, the best way to get it is using GIFs or GIFs, or however you say. So if you use a GIF, it's a small file. It won't put much stress on your stream. And to go find one, we need to open our web browser. I typed in before bubbles.gif, and I found this one. But you can browse, of course, all the kinds of GIFs you like, fire, anything, beer, anything. You can type in anything as long as it has a lot of these going on. It will be probably nice. So let's see what this one is about. Yeah, this one looks nice. And to download it, we need to right click on the image and save image as. Let's just call this water bubbles.gif, and we need to save it somewhere to the desktop. So I have it here to the desktop, and it will just be on my desktop. That way I can find it really easy. So once we downloaded the GIF that we need to go back to Streamlabs OBS and add a new source. So click on the plus button and add an image. When you click on the image, this is the formats you can use: PNG, JPEG, JPEG, GIF, TGA, BMP. So the one that we need is the GIF one. So we need to add the source. Let's call it an image. Add source. And now we need to find the file that we downloaded. In my case, it's on the desktop, and we called it water bubbles. And just click on open, and it should show up right here. Click on done, and there we have the source right here. So our follower goal is here. So you need to find a position for the follower goal. I will just set it on the bottom here, like this. Okay. Let's just lock this one in place for now. And now we need to make the image, the GIF that we downloaded, fit the bar. So from the beginning to the end. To do that, we hold Shift. Actually, let's just position it here in the corner. Now you need to hold Shift on your keyboard, and if you point in this corner and click on it, then you can transform. You can transform the whole image whatever way you like. So let's try to position this as closely as possible to our goal. I need to go a little bit more left, like this. That's probably a little bit too much. Let's check again. Okay, this looks pretty good. Let's see how it lines up with the follower goal. I see on the bottom here, we need to trim it a little bit more. Like this probably. Okay. Yeah, I cannot see it behind it anymore, so this looks pretty good, I think, for now. But you can, of course, play with it much more to have it really perfectly. And now we need to transform the follower goal to make it show what's behind the green. And to do that, we need to right click on the follower goal, click on filters, add a filter here. The filter type we need to add is a color key. So let's just use the color key here. Click on done. The similarity, so the color type, I would say to go for the custom color, since we need the specific hex value to match the color perfectly. So which is 00. Did I mark it everything? Okay. The color key is 00B140. That's the green that we need. And if you click on done, you can see the follower goal is already showing up really nicely. We have a little bit of a green tint down here, which I'm sure we can get rid of. That's the green here. So if we add it a little bit more like this and click on done, yeah, now we have it showing really nicely. I think we should change this color here, the blue. I think it doesn't work really with this blue color. Let's set it to, I don't know, more something like a little bit more white probably. Or even red. Who cares? You can play with the color, you know. You can do whatever you like to it. Let's just set it at red and click on done. So now it shows like now it's a really nice contrast. Now you can see it a lot better. So I know this one doesn't look perfect, but I did it just to have it like really fast. You will of course tweak it for your stream a little bit more and just have it perfectly line up everything. But this is basically how you do it. If you want to change the image, of course you can do that. For example, what do I have here else? There's another, so this one is like a fire source. So let's try this. So now it's not showing up. Yeah, it's it would need trimming. But this is some example how you can do it, of course. Let's try to use the water bubbles again. Yeah, the water bubbles. We matched much better than the other ones. So this is how you do the animated goals for Streamlabs OBS. I hope the video was helpful, and if you did find it helpful, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe to the channel. I also stream on Twitch every other day. I will leave the links in the subscription below, and if you are interested, you can check it out. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you. Bye.